Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the Beauty Bay Face and Body Box Edited. This box comes with 17 mostly full-size items, most of which are quite expensive on their own, and for the price I think you get a really good deal. Let's get cracking. This box contains 2 sheet masks, one being Nimia by Nikkie Tutorials, the Burr Burr cooling sheet mask. That's a funny name to say. I'm really looking forward to this because I've heard high reviews. We also have the Beauty Pro Hyaluronic Acid Hydrating Facial Sheet Mask. I've never seen this one before, so this one should be nice, especially because it's winter time. I believe this is all plant-based and vegan, so looking forward to that. We have the Clean Skin Club Clean Towels XL, which I personally don't really understand. I think it's supposed to be environmentally friendly, but in my opinion, how is it environmentally friendly if you're still throwing it away? So I will be reviewing these very soon because I have no clue on how they're going to work. This box also contains a pack of the Brushworks microfiber wrist wash bands. These are them, they're quite chunky. I bought a pack of these recently on Amazon, so I do like them. So I have another pair, and for somebody with really tiny wrists, they are a nice size. Next, we have the Super Silic Zap Patch Pinpoint, which are patches for blemishes. I don't use many patches on my own skin, and I need to start using them because I have like 3 packs now. So I will be reviewing this one soon on my Instagram, which I will link below. We have the Florence by Mills Love You a Latte Coffee Glow Mask. I have heard a lot of people hyping this up. I don't know if it's going to be overhyped or if people are being genuine, but I seem to see this everywhere. And when I see it everywhere, I tend to get skeptical because it's usually overhyped. So this will also be reviewed very, very soon, and I will probably try it tonight after I have filmed this video. Next up, we have a toner by Beauty Bay, which is the 5% niacinamide and vitamin C toner. I'm looking forward to this to see if it stands up to the more expensive toners that they stock on their store, especially the fact that it's niacinamide and vitamin C, which I'm hoping will help with my dark spots. Another product I have heard all about is the Peter Thomas Roth Water Drench Hyaluronic Cloud Cream Hydrating Moisturizer. Wow, I said that in one. It's only a mini size, but again, I keep hearing a lot of really good things about this. In fact, I hear a lot of things about the brand, so I'm excited to try a sample of something that they offer. Apparently this is supposed to be very, very hydrating, so we will see. We have a Intensive Soothing Balm by Bioderma. I haven't heard a lot about this, honestly, and it's more for dry skin. I don't have dry skin, so I imagine this will take me a while to get through, and I will probably use it on just dry patches in general, just to finish it off, because I can't imagine I will use this on my face. Next is the Unseen Sunscreen by Supergoop. I have personally never tried this one, but I've been wanting to try it because, again, I hear so many people raving about it and repurchasing it, especially on my own feed, people that I follow. They love this, so I'm really excited to actually get my hands on it and try it for myself. We have a product that I am personally excited about, which is the Cheirosa 59 fragrance by Sol de Janeiro, which is the purple one. I believe it has a, yes, it has a I have smelt the mini body mist of this that I had in the Boots Showstopper box for 2024, but I've never actually tried this version of the body cream. So again, I'm excited for this one. We have an eye cream that I've never heard of, which is I Spy Brightening Eye Cream, Vitamin C and green coffee beans. Again, this one is a mini, so I'm assuming this must be quite expensive. We'll see if this is too strong for my eyes, because most of the time they are way too potent around my eye area and I tend to break out. I'm hoping this one won't break me out. Next is a lip treatment by the Beauty Crop, which is the Peptide Calm Hydrating Lip Treatment in vanilla. I didn't know they did products like this. I've only tried their setting spray, the cherry version. And I tend to go through lip treatments like no other because my lips are constantly dry. So I am excited to review this one. Next is a cleanser by Bubble, which is the Fresh Start Gel Cleanser. I'm not sure what size this is. I know it's not the complete mini, but maybe it's like a mid-size. I started using a smaller version of this last night and I'm really loving it. I used it to get the first layer of my makeup off and it just melted it away, which was amazing. So I'm glad to have another in my collection. Next we have another product by Beauty Bay, which is the Hyaluronic Acid and Sea Moss Hydrating Mist. I tried this one yesterday when I received the box, because I received it late, and I was surprised when I used it that it didn't make me look really oily, because most hydrating mists make me look extremely oily and quite greasy, and it's not a flattering look. So I am glad that this one didn't do that, which made me really look forward to using this. And I'm hoping during the summertime it won't make me oily. The final two products are what I believe the star of the show, which is the Evlum Gel Balm Cleanser. I think I'm saying that right. I believe this is £55 in store if you buy it on its own. I paid £30 for this whole box. It's £45 right now on Beauty Bay if you want it. I used a £10 discount from my perks, which made it £35. So I saved £20 just buying this box on this, which is amazing. I've never tried it before. I haven't seen any reviews, so we will see. And lastly, we have the Veda Glow Radiance Advanced Repair Capsules. I started using these yesterday. And they are to help your skin, to help give a radiant complexion with targeted active Skin Axe. I don't know what Skin Axe is, but it's a food supplement. There's 30 in here, and I will say, if you are not very good with swallowing capsules, you may struggle with these. I used to struggle with swallowing any kind of pill, but these I'm fine with. But if you do really struggle with swallowing pills, this might be a problem. I believe these retail for around £40. They're not cheap, so when you buy the box, I mean, you're having a good deal by having these in it and the cleanser together. It's an amazing deal, I think. And that brings us to the end of this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment a heart if you don't know what to comment, just to help the algorithm and get my video out there so I can reach more people and find more like-minded people. Hopefully you consider subscribing and you give this video a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.